experiment to see which one of my wheel bearings is failing. You can kind of hear it right now. As I get on the gas above 60 miles per hour, you hear this howling. You can probably hear it right now. My plan is to take it up to speed about 70 miles per hour sustained for about 5-10 minutes, and then pull over at an exit, tap the brakes ever so lightly, and get out of the car immediately and measure each wheel hub with my infrared sensor, infrared thermometer there. See the speed here. Now it's hard to figure out which side it's coming from, so hopefully this will give me a better estimate. Keep it at about 75 miles per hour. Exit looks good. Tapping the brakes, tapping the brakes. See a good place to pull over here. Oh, that's a ditch. That's a gutter. That's the sun. Let's see, here looks good. Tapping them, tapping them. Reading 110, 109, 110 Fahrenheit. This one, about the same distance, reading 138, 140, So that's a good indication there. Looks like my right front wheel bearing probably fucked up.